Okay, so tingnan natin, no? So this is actually the result of what happened. So how many hours ago na ba yun? When Trump signed into, is that a law? Or so there's a new tariff rate that will start on April 9, diba? April 9 for almost 200 countries. So Philippines Philippines was slapped with the 17% tariff rate. Pinakamababa nakita ko is Singapore with 10 kasi parang sinimulan nila 10 eh. So apparently Singapore dati wala 0%. So ngayon 10% na siya. Meron mga 64, 47%. I think China ang taas, no? And it is a way for them to more or less reflect yung imbalance ng trade, no? So anyway, so dito parang it's a gambit on the part of Trump in the US. I understand perfectly where they are coming from, pero syempre that does not preclude the fact that these countries are also going to react, no? They will have their move. Yung po pwedeng ikaw lang mag-move, no? So it's like a chess game, but this is the result, no, sa market, no? And nabalita na to, I think a few hours ago sa CNN. So yung close ng Dow dito, which is about 1,600 points down, no? This is na to kahapon pa to so they're about to open na naman kasi 27 pa lang naman sa US, no? Coming back here, no? So they're down 1,600 points yesterday. That's only 3% lang naman, 4% and yung net change, no? S&P 500 is down almost 5%. Nasdaq is down almost 6%, no? And then FTSE 100 United Kingdom down 4%, almost 4%. So ito na yung Americas. Makikita natin talagang if you will look at the markets all over, no? So Americas medyo mixed pa ng konti in a way, no? Mexico is up slightly, 288 points. IPC, yung index naman is up 11 points, 2.33%. But it's pretty bloody out there sa puro red, no? Canada down almost 4%. Vobespa Brazil slightly down. Argentina down 3.4. Yeah. Sino ba? But if you will look at yung year to date, if it's a year to date, Colombia is still up 20.14%, no? Colcap, while Caracas, Venezuela is still up 92% year to date. Pero ngayon, slightly down sila, no? Anyway, we're just focusing on the day naman. So, EMEA, ito talagang bloody, no? Halos lahat talaga. Europe and Middle East. So, i-arrange ka natin siya dun sa percent change. Ayan. Only, as of the moment to, only, kanina red to slightly up si Nigeria. So, barely moving yan naman, no? So, technically, parang equal lang yan. 0.01%. And Israel, ayan, hindi masyadong affected. Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Turkey down 1%, and they had it better than the rest. S&P Europe is 2.61% down. AEX Netherlands 3.3 down. No? Sweden, ganun din, 3.37% down. South Africa 3.68. Norway 3.74. Portugal, ganun din. France 3.81% down. Eurostoxx, ito halos yung natin, no? The Eurostoxx 50, we're tracking this here as well. 4% down. CAC France, all trades, 4.04% down. DAX of Germany, 4.19%. So, basically, everybody is bleeding. Okay, Greece, 5.51% down. Austria, 5.83%. Italy is 6.66% down. Sa Asia, only a handful changed positively, barely. Like Taiwan, up 18 points, so 0.08%. So technically, parang Thailand, statistically unmoving to. So Indonesia, up by 0.5%, LQ45 and Jakarta Composite. While si South Korea, although ang balita sa South Korea, of course, is yung ouster of the president, the impeachment. So in a way, soften the fall. Pakistan, yan ang mga had it better because they were down only by 0.19%. China, sobrang laki ng na-receive na tariff adjustment. They were just down 0.24%. The Philippine all shares down only 0.57%. Yan kasi parang we were assured, quote-unquote, that it's not that bad because we were only slapped with a 17%. I mean, we were that's a big adjustment for us, but not as bad as the others. Parang ganun. Malaysia, 0.97% down. PSEI, this is the composite index, 1% down. Sensex in India, 1.2% down. Malaysia, 125% down. Nifty, India, 1.49% down. Hong Kong, 1.52% down. Austria, 2.44, Australia 2.44% down. Nikkei in Japan 2.75% down. Singapore 2.95% down. Although 10% lang ang tariff ni Singapore. Well, it started with 0, so talaga namang from 0, between 0 and any number is infinite. That is in mathematics, of course. Thailand 3% down. Japan Topix is 3.37 down. The set 50 is 3.57% down. So that's where we are right now, as the US is poised to open in almost an hour from now. No? So yeah, let's see what will happen to the market starting tomorrow. Ay, mali, ano na pala ngayon, no? Friday, sabay Monday. No? Pero this is the close of the week. We still have another day for US. Tama ba? Kasi Friday pa lang sa kanila ngayon. Yeah. Ay, hindi. Saturday na pala ngayon eh. Wala na. Monday na ulit. Sorry. Saturday pa lang ngayon. No? Ay, hindi. Sorry. As I was saying, it's Friday today. So, meron pang one day na trade na hinihintay natin for the US. That's right. Bye.